The big story today is that move to level 3. But more specifically, I think, the decision to say to all restaurants and pubs that you can only serve food outdoors. That's the recommendation of NEFIT. The government hasn't made a final decision on that yet. What's your take on that particular recommendation?
Well, good morning, Shane.
Morning.
As you say there, the government hasn't made a decision yet. The current situation was discussed by the Oversight Group last night. And this morning the Cabinet Subcommittee will meet. That's chaired by the Taoiseach, includes the Taoiseach, Minister of Health, Transport, Finance and Public Expenditure. So I guess any decision that will be taken by government will not be taken lightly, and I don't want to get ahead of any recommendations that will be made or ahead of any decision that will be made in that committee.
But you have a view yourself, I'm sure.
Well, obviously, health has to come first. Like the number of cases of COVID and the level of hospitalisations and deaths, we've been told will increase exponentially in the coming weeks unless we take measures now to reduce our contacts. We must stop the virus taking a hold of this country. We must prioritise saving lives. Now, I obviously have huge empathy for the businesses who are already on their knees, who are feeling...
No, I know, but to be fair, Minister, and I don't doubt that empathy, but empathy doesn't butter too many parsnips.
And that's why if
you look at the data, can I just put the data to you? And this is the data that NFIT are looking at as well. Of the 336 outbreaks, 3,000, I keep saying 300, 3,036 outbreaks, only 9 have come from restaurants and cafes. Like, what's the logic of saying that they can't serve food indoors if so few outbreaks are actually taking place in restaurants and cafes?
Well, we've also been told that if we don't follow the guidelines, NEFIT, our model indicates 500 to 1,000 cases per day by the 14th of October, with 50 to 60% of those in Dublin. And we will see very large daily cases count, and it's our most vulnerable who are at risk here. And I guess any decision we make is about saving lives, and that ultimately protects our economy. And if the health advice is compelling, then that's what the government will listen to.
Yeah, I suppose the point I'd put to...
I just want to say that, as a minister for sectors that are being horrifically impacted by this pandemic, I will be looking for, if a decision is taken today, I'd be looking for some strong financial supports. We saw what was done in Kildare off in Laois, but we need to strike a balance, I believe, between lives and livelihoods.